wondering where we're going. I don't know. This is something Karen and I do a lot. We always have. We just like to go exploring. So we've kind of got a rough idea we want to be down somewhere near the Victorian border. But how we get there? Well, that's pretty easy, isn't it? We've just got the Ryebuck Mahindra back and it's all decked out. We've got the Runva winch up the front. I love to have a winch. We also love to have mozzie coils. Bush camping. Yeah, but I tell you what, we do it comfortable. We've got the Bush Company tent up on the roof, and now we've got the roof rack on the front as a veranda, and of course we've got the big awning too. Perfect place to open a couple of beers. Setup took about 2 seconds. Now I told the Handbrake we were in for some perfect weather, and there's storm clouds rolling in. She's pointing them out. Looks like I could be wrong again. Here comes the rain. So we're right on the edge of a storm here. Camped. Too far from anywhere to go anywhere, and it's too late anyway, but I love this because the storm's just over there. You can feel it, you can hear it. We're getting just a touch of rain at the moment, and this is Mother Nature in her wildest when you're watching a storm roll through, especially out here in the Western Country where it's all flat. Just fantastic, I love it. If you're not doing this, what else are you going to be doing? We won't get wet, we'll be right. Quick roast in a storm. We've got a lovely piece of rump from the local butcher. You always buy from the butcher if you want meat. And we've got some onions. This is a rub we prepared at home. Paprika, garlic, salt and pepper. A couple of spuds, so we've got something to smash it on. Roast in a storm, let's go. Bit of cooking oil, olive oil in the pot, and then that goes in the fire just to heat it up. This is about half and half paprika and garlic powder, and a good old dose of salt and pepper. And it's basically just our rub, and the easiest way to do that is to rub it in. Oh, it is hot. I'll see you the meat.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing? Get on each side?
Just giving it a little burn on each side with the paprika. Yeah.
That smells beautiful.
Already, I know. And...
Oh, Guinness. Can I have some?
Can you wait a minute? Just a minute. I'll go quick because I think we've got a... Well, I know we've got a storm coming through.
What's this recipe called? Guinness Beef.
Guinness Beef. It's just a real simple one though. It's the best food in the world, trust me. Spuds out. They'll be done. We'll just let them sit and wait for the roast. Oops, there goes the ingredients. Righto, time to check the roast and add the crucial ingredient, the rest of the Guinness.
Oh, did you need more Guinness?
Hey?
More Guinness?
Yeah.
Oh, John, that looks beautiful.
Whoa. Oh, that's going to be so good.
Yeah.
Can I have the Guinness? What? Where's the rest of the Guinness gone?
That's all we had. That's all we had. That's all we had. Look, it looks beautiful, darling. Looks beautiful.
Not very long by the look of that. We'll just give it another... It's not a very big roast, so, you know, like, it'll take less than an hour in there. We've given it 25 minutes, we'll give it another 25. Basically, we're somewhere near the Newell Highway on a back road off into the dirt. I followed a track to Wah Gorge and didn't get there. We took a turn somewhere else, and I think we're probably about on par with Balata back on the Newell and radically in the bush. Perfect.
And that bike trail is not meant for a bike, is it?
Well, it's made for bikes, obviously, but
We're not taking one home then.
Oh, would I do that to you? Would I?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
I just thought maybe if someone broke down, I could help them, give them a lift. Well, this is Guinness roast, but a little bit light on the Guinness. Yummo. Perfect.
Ooh,
look at that.
Nice. Doesn't it smell good?
Smells fantastic. But what makes it really good is the sauce, because the Guinness is reduced with the onions and it's just perfect. My truck fit canopy came with a built-in water tank. You've got to have water if you travel in Australia, and I got plenty. Well, I need it too, especially for morning coffees. Now, during the night, it rained. It rained really heavily, but a little bit of wind and sun in the morning, and by the time we've had breakfast, we'll be ready to roll. Bacon. Bacon is my friend. Oh, smells so good. Just add bacon. Hey, we'll see what happens. This is an experiment. Hey, that works fantastic. Woohoo!
Ooh, looks like pizza.
Bacon and egg pizza. With our setup, we can pack up in about 10 minutes or less, which means more roads and more exploring. I love a dirt road. I think it's great. You know you're well and truly country when people stop in the middle of the road for a yarn. You know your country when you get that, eh? We're coming into Gilgandra. We go across the bridge in a minute, and Gilgandra's famous for lots of things, but one of them is it's the Cooee town, where the Cooee March started from in the First World War, where blokes marched all the way to Sydney, and everywhere they went Cooee, Cooee, come on out and fight for the king and country. So they did. There's a beautiful river here, and we go over the river, and then we're in town. Not a big town, beautiful, but. And wouldn't you know it, a couple of days later I ran into my mate Brian, and he had this old motor guzzy, and he said, any chance of giving it a lift back to Queensland, John? And what are the chances? I just happened to have a bike trailer with me. Well, I'm not going to lie, it was a long and fairly quiet trip home. I guess I'll just have to sweeten her up, you know, because it's her birthday next week, and that's when all her Norton parts show up. Go on, whatever the excuse, just get out there.